Today we're gonna actually make ice cream. Now this ice cream is gonna be made of Oreos. We're gonna heavy whipping cream and regular milk, vanilla extract. Because we got a couple minutes with the barrel, we're gonna reuse it later too. Also, we froze it overnight. If you guys can see, there also a consistency on it. There's a max line in there. If you guys can see that. So we're gonna put this here in this side. And then what we want to do is start putting all the stuff together, right? Make sure that you have everything that you need to put together, including this and the system, all right? So once you get that going, you got to make sure, so it's all connected. But we're missing the more important thing, which is the funnel. And then we're going to turn it on to 30, 25 minutes, and you're going to start pouring, all right? Go start pouring it. Keep pouring it. Tell you when. Keep going. I don't see the max line yet. And with this, you can make gelato, ice cream, slushies. A lot of people like to make slushies out of this. The simple way is you add Coca-Cola and ice and water, or water with ice, and it does a slushy. Coca-Cola, you just pour it all in there. Not everything. Make sure you go to the max line, and you're able to actually make a slushy out of Coca-Cola, cherry soda, pretty much a lot of things you can do with this great thing. Now, right now we put 25 minutes. If we need more, we go add more minutes. And you can always stop it too. So included with it, they give you a recipe book included with it, right? So it's a great thing that they give you a lot of recipes that you create your own. As you can see right now, it's been about maybe like 5 minutes, and then I can see it getting thickened. It's still frozen to the touch, if you guys can see it. So it's been about like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I can see it getting really thick down there. So be careful on this part right here. This is part, the motor's coming off. And then this part right here, we're actually gonna see if we could clean as much as we can. If we can't, of course, you can always freeze it up some more, but come out great. All right, first time trying it, all right? Oh, it's really good. It is better than market good. So, all right, so we got our pie here. Then we get our ice cream, homemade ice cream to a scoop. Look at that. Beautiful homemade ice cream with cherry pie.